Hi, welcome to another episode of What's Cooking. I'm Chef Travis, and today I'm going to be making a brisket mac and cheese with some crispy fried onions and Carolina barbecue sauce on top. All right, I'm going to rub this brisket with some salt and pepper and garlic powder. Keep it simple. Try to rub it in as much as you can. Get both sides of it. Get all the sides you can. And then we're going to put it right back into this pan and add some water to it, and we're going to cover it and cook it at 300 for about 4 hours until it's ready to shred. Okay, now we're going to be making our mac and cheese. This time I decided to use cavatappi noodles, which is like a corkscrew pasta. I know there's really no difference, but I just prefer a corkscrew pasta. I have some cheddar cheese sauce it's not so much for flavor. I just like to use it because it makes everything stick to itself. So if you just use cheese by itself and cream, all the cheese is going to settle to the bottom, or the cream is going to settle to the bottom. With this, at least it's going to mix into the cheese and stick to it. Okay. Got that. And then I like to use Parmesan. Gives it a little saltiness. And then, of course, cheddar. And some heavy cream. I did about 2 cups of each cheese and then a couple cups of cream. It's a good rule of thumb. I'm just going to mix it. Make sure that cheddar cheese sauce is mixed into everything. It'll turn yellow. Okay, that's pretty mixed. And now I'm just going to put it into a pan and we'll get it into the oven. Okay, welcome back. I just pulled the mac and cheese out of the oven and the brisket. The brisket was tender enough to shred with a couple forks. And now we're ready to plate. Okay, well, first we have this Carolina barbecue sauce that is apple cider vinegar, ketchup, brown sugar, garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, some ground mustard, and that's about it. And then we kind of adjust those ingredients to taste. But it should be a more vinegary, a thinner barbecue sauce, not your traditional barbecue sauce like Sweet Baby Ray's. And then I have crispy fried onions that's going to go on top as well. So let's plate this up. Okay, top with some fried onions. And then finish it with some Carolina barbecue sauce. And enjoy this.